In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import CSV file into Excel. If you have a CSV file and you want Excel to load it cleanly, this is one of the best ways to do it. The process uses Excel's built-in import and formatting preview, so you can confirm the data looks right before it goes onto your worksheet. First, go to the Data tab on the main ribbon. On the top of Excel, you will see several tabs like Home, Insert, and Formulas. Click Data, because the import tools are located there. Take a moment to find the section called Get and Transform Data, since that is where the command you need will be. Next, click the From Text/CSV button in the Get and Transform Data section. When you select this, Excel opens a file browser window. This step matters because it tells Excel you are bringing in plain text data, like comma-separated values, rather than using a standard Excel workbook import. Now in the file browser pop-up, navigate to your local folder where the CSV file is saved. Look at the left side of the window or use the folder view to move through your drives and directories. Once you reach the correct location, you should see your CSV file listed in the main area of the window. From there, select your target CSV file name from the window list. Click the file once so it becomes highlighted. If you have several files, double-check that you picked the correct CSV, since importing the wrong file can waste time and may require you to repeat the process. After selecting the file, click the Import button at the bottom of the screen. Excel will begin reading the CSV. This step is important because the import process will also create a preview, which helps you verify that Excel is interpreting the file correctly. When the preview screen appears, verify the preview shows the correct character format layout. Look at the columns and the way text and numbers are displayed. For example, you want to make sure Excel is splitting the data into the right columns, and that special characters appear as expected. If the formatting looks off, this preview is your signal to address issues during import rather than after the data is already loaded. Once you are satisfied with the preview, find the arrow next to Load and select Load To. This allows you to choose exactly where the data should go in your workbook. Choosing Load To is helpful because it gives you control over whether you place the data into a new sheet or an existing one. Now choose Existing Worksheet. This tells Excel to load the imported data into a sheet you already have. After selecting Existing Worksheet, you will be prompted to specify the location, usually by selecting a cell on the grid. Click Cell A1. This is the top left starting point where Excel will place the imported data. Using Cell A1 is a common choice because it avoids blank spacing at the top and left, and it makes the output easy to find. Make sure the active selection is on A1 before you proceed. Finally, click OK to confirm the loading destination. Excel will then import the CSV data into the selected sheet starting at Cell A1, and you should see your data appear in the worksheet. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.